Imagine this. You're making six figures a year, yet somehow your bank account doesn't reflect it. You work hard, you earn well, but at the end of the month, it feels like you're barely getting ahead. That's because having a high income and building wealth are two completely different things. You can make a lot of money and still struggle financially if you don't know how to use it wisely. The truth is, income alone won't make you rich. What truly matters is how you manage and grow that income. And today, we're breaking down the secret formula that turns a paycheck into lasting wealth. Number 1. Upgrade the 50-30-20 rule for real wealth. Most people follow the 50-30-20 rule when managing their money. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. It sounds reasonable, but if you actually want to build wealth, this formula needs an upgrade. Instead of treating savings as an afterthought, flip the script. Shift 30% of your income toward investments and wealth building, 20% towards savings and debt repayment, 30% for essentials like rent, food, and bills, and 20% for wants and lifestyle. This way, you're making sure that wealth building is a priority rather than an afterthought. Most people assume that saving money alone will make them rich, but that's not true. Saving money without investing is just storing cash that loses value over time due to inflation. If your money is just sitting in a regular savings account, it's actually shrinking in purchasing power year after year. That's why the next step is so crucial. Number 2, turn active income into passive income. If your only source of money is your paycheck, you're always going to be one bad month away from financial stress. Wealthy people don't just work for money, they make their money work for them. The key to this is turning active income into passive income. That means investing in assets that generate money without you having to constantly trade your time for it. Instead of spending your earnings on liabilities that drain your wallet, like luxury cars or designer brands, put your money into things that pay you back. Invest in income-generating assets like real estate, dividend stocks, rental properties, and businesses. Filter every financial decision through this question. Will this purchase put money in my pocket in the future? If the answer is no, it's not truly a wealth-building move. Automate your investments so money is consistently flowing into wealth-building avenues without effort. Number 3, practice stealth wealth. Avoid lifestyle inflation. One of the biggest reasons people with high income still end up broke is because they feel the need to show off their success. Expensive cars, designer clothes, lavish vacations, these things look like wealth, but they actually prevent real wealth from growing. The richest people you know often don't look rich at all. They live in homes they can comfortably afford, even when they could buy something much bigger. They drive reliable cars instead of the latest flashy models. They avoid lifestyle inflation, meaning that even when their income increases, their spending doesn't skyrocket. This is called stealth wealth, and it's one of the biggest secrets to lasting financial success. Living below your means isn't about depriving yourself. It's about keeping control of your financial future. The moment you start spending just to impress others, you're giving away that control. Real wealth is quiet. It's about having the ability to do what you want, when you want, without financial stress. The people who truly understand money don't waste it trying to prove they have it. Number 4, shift from employee to owner. The power of ownership. You will never get rich by working for someone else. A job provides stability, but true wealth comes from owning things. Owning businesses, owning assets, owning investments. Think about it. How many billionaires got rich from just earning a paycheck? None. They built wealth by owning assets that appreciate over time. If you're in a job, negotiate ownership, like stock options or equity in the company you work for. Use your income to invest in things that build equity for you instead of just spending it. Start a side hustle or business that generates passive income. The more you own, the less you have to depend on a paycheck. When you own assets that make money for you, your financial future becomes secure, even if your job disappears. Number 5, play the long game. Don't chase quick money. A huge mistake that keeps people from building wealth is chasing quick money. Most people want fast profits, high returns, and shortcuts to success. They see someone making money quickly and they jump into the latest get-rich-quick scheme, hoping to cash in. But 9 times out of 10, those schemes don't last. They either fail, disappear, or leave people worse off than before. The wealthy play the long game. They invest for decades, not months. They buy assets and hold on to them, even when markets go up and down. They don't panic sell. They don't fall for the latest trend. They stick to proven strategies that build wealth over time. If you truly want to turn your income into lasting wealth, you need patience, discipline, and a long-term vision. There is no magic formula to getting rich overnight, but there is a guaranteed way to build wealth over time. Consistent investing, smart financial decisions, and delayed gratification. Number 6, don't let your lifestyle outgrow your income. A trap many people fall into when their income increases is upgrading their lifestyle to match it. You get a raise at work, and suddenly you feel like you need to buy a new car, rent a bigger apartment, or take more expensive vacations. But here's the secret. Your lifestyle should not rise with your income. Instead, use that extra income to save, invest, and build wealth. Many people get stuck in the cycle of spending more as they earn more. But those who truly build lasting wealth use increases in income to fund their financial goals. Whether that means investing in stocks, starting a business, or saving for long-term growth. Avoid the temptation to upgrade your lifestyle unnecessarily. Keep your spending in check and let your wealth grow over time. By doing this, you'll have more financial freedom down the line. Number 7, embrace delayed gratification. The wealthy understand that true wealth is built over time. They're not focused on instant rewards. Instead, they embrace delayed gratification. They know that in order to build long-term wealth, they have to make short-term sacrifices. Delayed gratification means avoiding the temptation to buy things immediately, especially things that don't contribute to long-term financial growth. Instead of spending on non-essentials, you save and invest for future gains. This is the mindset that helps build true wealth. The more you practice delayed gratification, the more you'll be able to focus on long-term financial goals rather than immediate desires. This is a key habit of wealthy individuals and is essential to building a strong, sustainable financial future. Number 8, leverage tax-advantaged accounts. One of the smartest things you can do to build wealth is take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts like 401ks, IRAs, or HSAs. These accounts allow you to grow your wealth while minimizing the taxes you pay on your earnings. Many people overlook these accounts, but they are an excellent way to build wealth without giving up a large portion of your income to taxes. By contributing regularly to these types of accounts, you are not only saving for retirement, but also protecting your wealth from unnecessary taxation. Over time, this strategy can significantly increase your net worth, and it's one of the best ways to ensure long-term financial success. At the end of the day, making money is easy. Keeping it and growing it is the real challenge. High income alone won't change your life unless you learn how to use it wisely. If you want to turn your income into lasting wealth, you need to upgrade how you manage your money, prioritize wealth building over spending, create passive income streams, practice stealth wealth, shift from an employee mindset to an ownership mindset, and play the long game. Most people will never build real wealth because they focus only on earning. But now you know the secret formula. The only question left is, will you use it? If you found this video valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on game-changing financial insights. Let's build wealth the right way,